Check out this Harley-Davidson here at Unique Specialty and Classics. If you watch our website, you know, from time to time we'll take in a Harley on trade or maybe consign one with a good customer of ours. This particular bike, 1995 Harley-Davidson Road King. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. A little over 37,000 miles is all in this one. As you can see, windscreen. .80 cubic inch Evo engine. Of course, 5-speed manual transmission. Pretty stock with a few exceptions. So you can see we do have a Screaming Eagle high airflow filter there. Did also notice, I guess, wind deflector right down here, chromed. Don't get quite as much blow up through those forks on you. Then, of course, looks like 16-inch apes on it. And what is it? Thunderheader exhaust. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com, or you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a peek at the exact miles for you. There you go, 37,159. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Right after we kind of finish a walk around on here. And again, you'll be able to look at all the pics on this bike on our website. Try to make them from every angle, up close. Let you see the chrome and the bright work. Of course, choke over here on this side. Yeah, chrome looks good. Riding on some wide white walls. Great classic look. And once again, any questions, just call 507-386-1726. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. So we're in neutral. See, the tack is working. Wheel gauge also. Nice sounding bike. All those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. 1995 Harley-Davidson Road King. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.